Hey guys, so I am back today with another unboxing. I went to Target today. I got two of the large boxes. I apologize that you cannot see very well. I'm still working up the setup. Hopefully this is a little better. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and take these out of the thing. The first box I got looks like I had 5. So hopefully we get some special ones. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is series 2. Let's start with this one. And let's see who we get. Oh, he is adorable. Let me put him back here. I actually should have got the list out for you guys. Give me 1 second here. This one, of course, is from Beauty and the Beast. And we have, of course, I can't find him right now. LeFou. Look at him back there. He's just hiding. Okay. I don't believe I have him. Let's take a look at the next box. Let me move some of these out here. Sometimes these are a little tricky to open. Let's see who we get here. Oh, we got from Alice in Wonderland. This one is Tweedledum. And I actually don't have Tweedledee. I was hoping I'd get him, but I don't have him yet. But, you know, there's still chances. Let's go ahead and do this one next. Here. Oh, we have, I believe this is Anna Coronation. I do have her. She's very cute though. Another one. Let's see who we get here. Another Simba. You guys, I have gotten so many fuzzy Simbas. It is ridiculous. But that's okay, I still love them all. This is the last box from this opening. And let's see who we get. I already kind of opened it a little bit. Oh, and look who we have. This is one of my favorites. Sparkly Ariel in the pink dress. So cute. Okay, so in the next box I got 6. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see what we get. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Of course, I'm always on the search, you know, for Genie. All those good ones. Put these in upside down. Okay. Let's see who we get here. Let's start with this one. Sorry if you can hear my dogs. Alright, let's see what we get here. Oh, I do not have this one. Look who this guy is. Let me look him up. Let me put him, well, you can kind of see him. He is probably from Peter Pan. That is Lost Boy Slightly. So cute. Let me put him back here. Let's go ahead and do this one. Oh, I think, Wreck-It Ralph. He's so cute too, though. I've actually never seen that movie. I should probably look at it and watch it. Let's do this one. Go. Still hoping for a Genie. A special one. Guys, I cannot get this one open. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. I got Simba's dad. What is his name? I'm so bad with some of these names, you guys. Mufasa, and he's a fuzzy one, and he is adorable. Let's go with this one. This is obviously a good box. I've only gotten 1 duplicate. Here we go. What do we have? Oh, we have Eric. actually just traded with someone to get an Eric, so now I have 2 of those, so that is super fun. This box is really heavy. Oh, it's heavy because look, we have an extra one in here. Those little boxes are so cute. Sorry if my thing's shaking. Relax. Okay, here we go. So I actually got 7 in this box. This was a good box to get, obviously. Oh, you guys, I got another Buzz Lightyear. This is my second Buzz Lightyear. Let's see who's in this cute little one. I don't know, I'm hoping I get something special in this one. Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we got? Anna. Yes, and she's sparkly and she is so pretty. Here is one last one. And let's see who we get here. Oh, we got the rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. Why is he not wanting to stay up? He's kind of like, he'll probably need one of those stands. Okay guys, so those are all the new ones I got. Super exciting. Definitely got some good ones. And I will see you guys in another video.